In this quick tutorial, I want to show you how to decrease so your decreasing looks like this. I'm making a top at the moment, which I'm gonna leave the link down in the description below, okay? So I'm going to show you how to decrease this way, which is the way they make on needle knitting as well, manual knitting. And they actually use 3 stitches to make this decreasing, okay? Because this we want the second one to come on top of the third one, so it looks well finished and neat like this one, okay? So I'm gonna show you the way I'm doing this. I'm halfway on my work here. I'm making the second part of that top. And what I'm going to do here, this is not the way I learned. This is the way I just developed myself just to, because I use decreasing so much, okay? So I'm going to, on the beginning of the panel, I'm going to open 3 needles. So open the first 3 needles, release the yarn from the needle, and then I'm going to grab the 3 first stitches or loops out of that needles, okay? And then I'm going to make my way back until that needle is halfway open only, which means this one's gonna be right in front of the yarn guide, okay? And then what I'm going to do to have that same shape of the decreasing of the yarn, I'm going to remove this first stitch, and I'm going to put the second stitch in front of the third one in that next needle, and then I'm going to put the third one on the top of the second one, and then the first one I'm going to put in the next needle. Now, why is this going to decrease a stitch? This is going to decrease a stitch because we are making 2 loops at one time. Now make sure the loops are all the way down. Some yarns tend to stay up high on the needle and then you lose a stitch, okay? So make sure they're down on the bottom and then you can make your row. Okay, now I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. You can make on both sides, but you can't make at the end of the row, okay? You have to be on the beginning of the row going that way to do it. Release the 3 stitches and make sure you grab them. Make sure you don't miss this stitch. Grab them this way. You can put your finger on top there so you don't lose the stitch, and then grab it. Okay, again I have the 3 loops here. I'm going to make my way back. This one, the next needle has to be right in front of the yarn guide. I'm going to remove the first loop, put the second loop in there, then put the third loop on top of the second loop and the first loop in. Make sure the loop's not twisted. As you can see here, mine is twisted right now. Just put them the same way you remove them from the needle, otherwise they're gonna be twisted when you finish your work. Okay, and then make sure that yarn is underneath the lip every time you start a panel row. I don't know, for some reason this loop came out. So I'm just fixing it. I'm going to put this right there. And be really careful so it goes down the needle so I don't lose that stitch. Okay, I'm going to hold it for a bit. Now it should be fine. The yarn fully inside the yarn guide and put the 2 loops way down on the bottom of that needle. Now you can make your way back, and I'm going to keep doing this until I have only 3 stitches left. This because I'm making this triangle shaped top, okay? And so thank you for watching, guys. I've been trying to make this tutorial for a while now. A few people ask me for a full in-depth tutorial about how to decrease stitches, and this is the way you do it on both sides, on the beginning and at the end of the row. Thank you for watching. My name is Fabiana. Subscribe to my channel and leave me a like if you enjoy any of my tutorials. Thank you for watching, guys, and I see you when I see you. Bye bye.